Okay, hey there, and today what I want to do is a quick, cool video on a demonstration of this product here, which is Cellcore, the Para 1 right there. So this is a specific product called Mimosa Pudica. Mimosa Pudica, and it comes from basically India, and we're talking about Mimosa Pudica seed in this product right here. So it's the seed, it's not the root, it's not the leaves, it's actually the seed. Now this has very, very specific qualities, and I'm going to show you what this does, but you need to be making sure that you don't have any parasites in your gut. A lot of people will have parasites and have no idea that they have parasites. And guess what hides in parasites? Mold can hide in parasites. Lyme can be living in parasites. Heavy metals can be living in parasites. So we need to make sure that we get this out of our system. And here I'm going to show you this is a very, very specific gel-like quality to these supplements here. So let me show you this so you can understand what this looks like here. Okay, so what I've done here is I've taken just one of these capsules here. I'm going to break it up in this water here. So we're going to take two of these, and you're going to see the special quality of this product right here, which I have not seen in any other product on the market. So the Cellcore company is a fairly new company that has some really revolutionary products in here. So we're going to stir this up here, and you're going to see what's going to happen to this. So you can see what's happening right here. You see how this is forming a gel-like component right in there. So we just mixed it up, okay? And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you what's happening with this. So you see this right here? You see how gooey that is? So what this does is when you take this, if you have parasites, this will grab onto the parasites. This will grab on to mold. This will grab on to bacteria, bad guys that shouldn't be there, and then you poop that out. So this is a very, very new product on the market here, which there's been videos of people getting parasites. I'm taking this. My wife is taking this. So you can see how it's just really a gelatinous material right here. Okay, so here's what I've done is I've taken it out, and you can see here now how sticky this actually, look how sticky this actually is. Okay, so this acts as like glue to actually start to grab things in your gut and actually pull things, and like, look how stretchy that is. I mean, that's like 6 inches, right? So this is very, very powerful. If you have any bad guys in your gut, parasites, bugs, even helps get out mold. So there's a whole gut protocol that we want to do to make sure that you don't have any of those bad things sitting in your gut. So this is a very, very new product, and this is you just get amazing results with this because you're actually starting to detox the gut and pull out things that should not actually be there. Okay, so here it is. It's the Para 1 with Cellcore, and then you can just see this is just a little ball in my hand here. You know, how this is actually gooey and will grab things and pull things like really right out of your digestive system right here. Okay, you see how gooey that is? And then look there's like nothing on my hands. It doesn't stick to my hands, right? So this is like a scrubber. This is like a scrubber in your small intestine and in your colon. So I hope this bring some insight to you. If you have any questions about this, let me know. Take care, and where there's help, there's hope. Bye-bye.